This guide will offer you a sensation of the Dogecoin cost assumption for 2022 to 2030. And it's drawn out improvement from in every way that really matters particular assessment to in every way that really matters chief expense history, which is very huge close to the completion of this review. A sensible picture will basically emerge with explicitly respects to watts not too far off to the extent that how genuinely high the costs will go. The destiny of Doge will moreover be revealed to you. A computerized money is fundamentally prepared to ride away. Especially turned into a notable asset in a truly significant manner. The crypto space generally is certainly all set to truly rock the boat in and out of town soon. Every endeavor is coming up with remarkable plans to make do, and for the most part overpower watching out. In spite of prevalent thinking, we will endeavor to answers. These intermittently explained a few major problems. Really is Dogecoin Dogean? Insightful hypothesis, or so they generally thought. How truly much will Dogecoin really be worth in 2025? Or how much will Dogecoin be worth in 10 years in an unpretentious way? Guessing the expense instabilities and predicting watts to sort of come costs is one astounding endeavor. Our gathering fundamentally is great to explicitly go up to sort of overwhelm up the method as essentially speedy as could really be expected, which truly is very huge time to get back to business. Will we, or so they explicitly thought. Dogecoin as of now stays at 0069 USD with a market capitalization of 9,168,490,145, making it rank 10 in the main coins list. Genuinely, in spite of prevalent thinking, Doge sort of has a 24-hour volume of 241,522,502, according to Tech Newsletter Value List, which especially is genuinely critical. The worth of Dogecoin basically has changed 0.36 in the beyond 24 hours, which is very huge in latest 7 days. The expense of Doge basically has a distinction in 486 in an unpretentious manner. It truly is confined to a biggest supply of 132,670,764,300 coins. Truly, in spite of prevalent thinking, Dogecoin value expectation. 2022 Dogecoin sort of present worth generally reach could interest various vendors, and thusly Doge can in every practical sense reach 0.12 by 2022. With critical support with money-related foundations, accepting that the going with requirements basically are satisfied with a common expense of 0.11 for 2022. It can essentially beat the latest worth example to show up at new highs, or so they most certainly thought. The worth trademark can move as the crypto market can. Especially see one substantially more bullish example on the way to 2022. In a significant manner, Doge value forecast 2023 for genuinely long stretch Dogecoin cost assumptions. Crucial assessment is major, which especially is very huge to the extent that industry benefits the essentially neighborhood representative in a real sense, offers a couple the high-level economy's freedom essentially makes it ideal. In spite of mainstream thinking, as dApps and genuinely stable coins make the association fundamentally offers merciless programmable portion compass tasks and limit decisions, or so they essentially thought. Potentially the typical expense of Doge will climb to about 0.16 by 2023. If more monetary patrons fundamentally are attracted to the idea for 2023, the year can end with an undoubtedly outrageous expense of 0.18, with a base worth degree of 0.16 or so. They explicitly thought Doge value forecast 2024. A steady method for managing this money could explicitly be found on various destinations and conversations in opposition to prevalent thinking. As per this assumption stage, Dogecoin will predictable at its continuous expense from this point forward endlessly in an unobtrusive way by 2024. The Doge truly should justify a biggest by and large worth of 0.27. The base expense can for the most part go up to 0.22. Expecting that the market gets bullish, or so they generally thought. Dogecoin value forecast 2025 Doge in every practical sense have genuinely colossal potential with really unambiguous, by and large joint endeavors and improvements could by and large form the amount of clients and adoption in an especially huge manner. expecting the market explicitly centers around placing assets into Dogecoin. The expense could rise a ton sort of higher by 2025. It can in a real sense show up at a biggest all things considered worth of 0.39. It essentially is by and large commonplace that the Doge will turn a bit, expecting the market goes down exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking the year 2025 can end with a commonplace expense of 0.33, with a base expense of 0.32, and the best expense of 0.39 or so. They certainly thought Dogecoin value. Forecast 2026. Apparently by 2026 Dogecoin Doge costs will truly have basically shown up at a level like they're especially past all-time high by 2026. We could expect an ordinary expense of 0.49, in spite of mainstream thinking on account of everything does easily. We expected the best expense of Dogecoin could in a real sense rely upon 0.55 in 2026. Clearly there basically are chances that the market will dump after a genuinely lengthy bull run, and it truly is common for computerized currency market, which generally is genuinely critical Doge value expectation 2027. There generally are signs that the crypto market certainly will basically enter one more age in a huge manner. Sure that the excessively long expense assumption at Doge's expense will basically take off, since there truly is as yet certain reasoning that the cash will truly attract significantly kind of more thought, or so they basically thought the year 2027 can end with an ordinary expense of 0.73 and a base genuinely worth of 0.71. The best expense basically should trade around 0.83. Which is genuinely critical Dogecoin value expectation 2028 and 2028, with substantially more gathering and relationship between kind of other huge blockchain networks. The expense of Dogecoin would for the most part take off. The best trading cost could by and large reach 122 in 2028. In a significant manner the expense reaches will be uncommonly stylish, expecting we generally keep it that way in an essentially enormous manner. On account of all that works out in a genuinely decent manner, we can expect a run-of-the-mill cost of 107, with a biggest expense of 122. For 2028 Dogecoin value expectation 2029 instability drives the computerized currency market, which in a real sense is genuinely critical today. It isn't quite easy to appraise and generally stay mindful of the continuous assessing, or so they explicitly thought. Various crypto specialists become conceivably the main calculate such way the assessing guesses most certainly are ideal for the referred to years. In a kind of enormous manner crypto purchasers by and large are at this point stressed over the crypto blacklists and new impediments, which generally is very critical. Dogecoin cost could check 182 if the market sees a respectable bull, especially run in 2029. Taking into account that it explicitly is certainly common to truly be held by most certainly long stretch monetary patrons, its average expense for 2029 will be around 100.